how to use Monopoly Go Discord. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use Monopoly Go Discord. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we need to head over to any browser that you have and search for Monopoly Go Discord server right here. So let's search for that and click on the first link right here. Then what we need to do is just scroll down until we can see this Monopoly Go trading. So scroll again until you can see this join this server. So just click on join this server right here, and this will direct us to our actual Discord. So just accept the invite right here. And as for me, I've already join that server. So here's a tour of that server. So if you scroll down, you can see a lot of Monopoly Go infos right here, and also this trading right here. You can trade right here, and there's actually a trading reputation that you can actually earn in this Discord server. So you can also click on create ticket support right here, or you can also chat with other people right here in this. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Monopoly Go Discord. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!